I love solar energy. It allows families to take control of their own consumption, their own bills. There's a couple of things you need to consider before you make the jump. Generally speaking, we can design a system and install it on most property type. Systems can be installed onto apartment complexes. The first part would be to talk to your body corporate. Your property positioning is important. Generally speaking, north and northwest facing properties are best designed for optimising your solar. It can be east and west facing, and it's just important that your retailer understands and looks at the property to make sure that we can get the solar system installed on your roof in the best position to maximise output. The ideal roof type for solar would be a tin roof with a pitch of less than 25 degrees. We've installed many systems on tiled roofs, tin roofs, flat roofs, but we can install systems on most roof types. Make sure you use the Clean Energy Council solar installer. That's really important to make sure that you know that the people that are installing are approved by the CEC. Dealt with many properties in my time at Origin where solar installation was difficult. All of the properties that we've dealt with, we've managed to get solar installed on those properties. Just need to make sure that when designing, we factor that into the installation.